pressing that, up this shit, it's fucking like Swiss and Drake. Bell, I was living nigga face up, timidly shit, leave a shit while I walk shit down, trying to run up a sack. Fuck rap, I been doing that shit on the flip side. You know, you in the back of the back.
Oh, nigga, that sheriff. We thinking this nigga finna get gone. We had this shit, we had this little car meet. Bro, I was trying to do an intro for y'all niggas. Then they start sliding in the parking lot. As soon as I pull a camera out and press record, they stop sliding. That's that bullshit. Oh yeah, nigga, the niggas that sponsored this shit is, what that bitch say? Mopars of Houston. Them niggas did not lie. Nigga, it is buku Mopars. Like, nigga, all you see is motherfucking Dodge Chargers. Like, bro, all y'all niggas see Chargers. Chargers and Challengers. Straight Mopars. Nigga left his shit open. Nigga really might go hop in that motherfucker. No. That nigga playing. We up out here in Cyphers. Hey, Kimfolk, I'll give you 5. You go hop in that bitch right now. Go hop in that bitch. Spin off right now. Oh, bro, that nigga ain't put nothing up in the car. That nigga just got the car out. Like, niggas won't. Bro, that bitch is nice. Bro, that satin black. Oh, yeah, that nigga can hit it. That nigga can feel that shit. Nigga close that door quick. Nigga, it's a cat right here. Nigga got a cat. Motivation for them boys? Shit. Oh, bro, motivation. Don't chase these bitches. Bro, you see all these niggas out here with their girls, they not moving from their girls. Niggas not even going to go interact with the cars.
They ain't doing shit right now.
Oh, bro, motivational. Fuck them hoes. Fuck them.
What else you gotta say to them boys?
Shit, I really ain't gotta say nothing to y'all niggas. I ain't gonna self-promote, do none of that shit, but hopefully these niggas start back sliding, cause as soon as I pick my shit up, they turned it off. But I'm already knowing they trying to have this shit bumping, so they ain't gonna. Yeah, they ain't gonna let them niggas do that shit for too long.
Them niggas sweet, man.
Bro, shit, it's Mopars at Mopars, man. Y'all got some hoes at TSU?
Man, that shit lines in the bitch.
I'm knowing niggas.
Pop that TSU.
TSU.
We pop back out to the outside.
What the fuck is that?
Back to this shit. That's just sad.
Nigga, that's some shit in the parking lot, or that's some shit pulling up. Hey, that's some shit pulling up, but that's some shit in the parking lot. What's up? Bro, that's motherfucker. Hold on, that bitch low key nice. Bro, this nigga burning that bitch. Burning that hoe. Oh, we can't get this nigga lights. I'm smell like burn rubber in this bitch. This nigga finna leave this bitch with no tires.
Hold your brake all the way down. And gas all the way down.
He trying to leave like a cloud, but I don't know what he's doing. That bit loud. I got my motherfucking ears ringing. Hey, buddy, you supposed to be recording, man. You supposed to be recording, bro. Shit, get some more. Acting up. Acting up in that motherfucker. My fault. smoky than a bitch. Shit, hell yeah, bro. Content. You got a number? Instagram.
No, Alex, like, loco.
My shit, underscore MMCA.
No. This is our takeover page.
Bro, y'all want to get the takeovers in Houston? What that shit say? Hushland, HTX. I go tap in, my nigga. He right here.
Hey, y'all boys tapping. I'm telling y'all, we
tap
gonna
in.
turn this bitch up. I'm telling you.
Bro, shit, y'all got anything coming up soon? Cause this shit really is just easy content. I just gotta walk around.
On November, we're gonna do takeover. Cause the last takeover we had, the mayor raided that bitch.
Yeah, see, I'm trying to come get some quick content and get the fuck. I can't fuck with the police.
Yeah, 12 was on dick. And we had like over 2,000 niggas pop out.
I'm trying to find your shit. You say Hush Lane?
Here, what's your, I gave you my main.
I'm gonna follow this bitch.
Hey, what's your main?
It's underscore.
Brought your whip out today?
Shit, hell yeah, I'm up in that blacked out Nissan.
Shit, spin that hoe for it.
Fuck no, that bitch need new tires already. Bro, I spin that bitch, we gonna be spinning to the Valero, waiting on the tow. Bro, niggas just got Mopars lined up, nigga. We got a RT, we got a SRT, a launcher. This bitch pushing 8,000 horsepower. Stop fucking playing, nigga. Shut the fuck up, boy. And we got the white SRT, bro. That shit ain't sound like no exhaust, nigga. I thought somebody started buzzing it. Damn. That shit sounded like a motherfucking kablooey shot. Excuse me. Yeah, this shit finna get shut the fuck down. Cannot distinguish them bitches from gunshots. Hold on, man. That nigga beating.
Pull up like a real free nigga. Hey, that's how you get them all slam too.
This nigga pull up thump, bro.
I haven't seen that nigga ever on my mind.
That nigga shit thump.
Hey, put your hands on there. That been hitting harder than you. Oh, that been.
My fault. Hey, bitch. Nigga Denzel. What you got in your trunk, bitch?
15s.
Shit. That shit still got my ears fucked up. They really like need to run that shit back again. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was low-key hot. It felt like a flamethrower to a nigga leg. Bro. Bitch starting to get packed. We got the niggas out. Bro, as soon as a nigga walk away, they want to start providing content. Bro, they starting to calm this bitch down. Bro, they did just put on a show. Bro. Shit outside. Bro, it's even more shit pulling in. There's Mustangs and shit pulling in. Shit, I'm probably finna dip from this motherfucker in a little bit. I don't want these niggas calling no type copperoos. Yeah, I know I can't fuck with the copperoos. I really do another story time on how I went to jail, nigga. And bro, but we probably finna get going up in this bitch. I'ma see what they talking about. They ain't talking about nothing. We finna head to the crib. Oh, he getting that bitch started, baby. Don't tell me to get that. He ain't finna get that. Nigga shoot. Nigga trying to shoot. You finna leave this bitch on empty. Bro, they finna have to push this bitch to the Valero across the street. Well, them niggas spinning off flames. It's a good thing to the gas station. My fault. That's gas station right there, nigga. Them niggas finna be leaving the function. Nigga in a Honda. In a Honda, nigga. Nah, this nigga leaving to me. Oh, he leaving to me here in Barrett, nigga. Leaving to me. I ain't gonna lie, they did show out when we came outside. These two niggas really fucked it up. In a good way, I ain't saying they made the shit bad. Following that shit like a model.
I'm not in front of
Damn. Nigga, that was his horn and his shit slid.
It's like that Tesla horn.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I'm sorry I just put you niggas in my mouth, bro. Lens is foggy than a motherfucker. They leaving tracks in the street and everything. Oh, bro, them niggas finna go straight to the tire shop. They not finna be able to make it home. Shit, they really need to go in the other parking lot and slide for the one time. Catch me slide for like 0.5 seconds. I'm finna head back to the crib. Bro, I'm knowing as soon as I leave, they finna get this whole jumping because it's just starting. But bro, I cannot fuck with no type police, nigga. Don't try and block niggas in or none of that.
I want to slap me. Them niggas try to block me in last time, man.
Yeah, I ain't trying to do none of that running shit, none of that. Bro, I came in the Kepler slides, nigga. I did not come sliding already. Nigga, I did not come to run, bitch. Bro, I ain't doing no tight running. But shit, them niggas did come show up. Bro, this was a cool little car meet. This nigga pulling in, this nigga leave. Bro, I'm finna get going in this motherfucker. Damn, this nigga finna hit my shit. Damn.
arrested. Get arrested.
Y'all niggas see I almost died.
No, it is a fucking black hole. One night they arrested. I told you.
Hey, bro, I kid you niggas not. As soon as I try to leave, these niggas start acting a fool. As soon as I leave, these niggas start acting a fool. Bro.
Advancing.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga, I just fucked my little shit up. Hold on. Let me park my shit, cause I ain't gonna lie, I did just scrape against the curb, nigga. Trying to fucking record for you niggas. That sheriff! Oh, that sheriff! He finna get his ass! Oh, shit, that sheriff! Oh, he finna pull that nigga over, that sheriff in the Camaro. We thinking this nigga finna get gone! It's police in this motherfucker. Damn, bitch, look at that shit. Damn. Damn, they pulled one nigga over, they had guns drawn at the other one. Hey, my nigga, I left at a good ass time. I had to turn around because I went the wrong way. But nigga, I left at the perfect time. Hold on. Gang. Nigga, I left at the perfect time, bro. They literally just blocked one charging in, nigga trying to drive over the curb to get up out of there. Bro, nigga, I left at the perfect time, bitch. I'm taking my black ass home. Fuck all of that. Look, I told y'all, I said as soon as I leave, they finna get up to some shit. They started sliding. I went back because I see them niggas sliding as I'm leaving. Bro. One unmarked sheriff Camaro pull in. We thinking it's another car. Finna start spinning. We like, oh yeah, them niggas getting busy. Look at all this content. Oh shit, is zoomed in on my face. Hold up. Alright, so look, if y'all don't know what just happened in them clips I just showed y'all, I'm driving and my car tinted. But I'm not finna drive with the light on. I can turn the back light on, hold on. Yo, if y'all don't know what the fuck y'all just seen, gang, the police just stopped that motherfucking car meet, gang. I'm talking about unmarked Camaro sheriff car pulled up. He acting like he finna start spinning up in that motherfucker. He pulled that nigga the fuck over. Then, as soon as they see that it's a sheriff, they start trying to run. Nigga. One of them trying to hop the curb over the grass, bro. Cop pulled in front of him. Literally like pulled right in front of him. Y'all gonna see it on the video. Pulled right in front of him. Guns out till them niggas get out the car. I know they had weed and guns on them. Them niggas going to jail. Hey, Lil' Cam got up out of that though. Bro, Lil' Cam got up out of that. But y'all, I'ma see y'all when we get to the house. Let me focus on driving. Bro, cause I told y'all I got gone for that shit even happen. They blocked everybody in, bro. Everybody that was trying to get out there was blocking them niggas in. Hey, good luck to y'all, but I'm on my way to the crib. I'm finna get in my bed. Bro.
I done seen niggas merch on the dead, nigga, they did this and that, never did shit in this fucking life, switching Drake's. Bell, I was living nigga face up, 2 million shit, leave a shit while I walk shit down, trying to run up a sack, fuck rap, I've been doing that shit on the flip side.